In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a side mirror on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. We're going to remove the trim piece on the inside of the door for the mirror. Wrap your fingers around the outside and give it a pull. There's a push button connector right here. We're going to push on the tab and pull the connector out. Using a 10mm socket, remove the nuts for the side mirror. You shouldn't have to hold the mirror after you take the nuts off. There should be a little tab right here that holds it in. Pull the mirror out of the vehicle. Grab the new mirror, and we're going to take off these shipping protectors. There is grommets over the studs. Pull those off. Pull the backing off of the foam. And install it onto the back of the mirror. Install the mirror into the vehicle. Line up the studs and push it through. Install the nuts onto the back of the mirror. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked in there. Snug the nuts down. Line the trim piece up and clip it into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.